arriving at Harajuku Station, you can see Takashita Street from the station, including this building from Harajuku. Then we stepped outside Harajuku Station. This is somewhat a continuation of Meiji Shrine. This is the same day we went to Meiji Jingu Shrine and Inari Shrine. I believe this might be a preschool bus, but I'm not 100% sure. The rest of the city in the distance was so beautiful. Now we're headed to explore the city and go to a Chinese ramen restaurant. When I ordered at this restaurant, I did what I usually do and I said "Koreo kudasai," but they did not give me the thing that I pointed to when I ordered. So there was somewhat a mess up in my order. Here is someone else's Coca-Cola they got. It came in that cute little glass. This is what I thought I got. And you guys will see in a second what I actually got. I decided, since I'm a foreigner, I like to be low-key and not cause any inconvenience. So I decided it still looked good. I'm still going to eat it and try something new. But the issue came with ordering. I didn't know what it was. So I had to ask and get confirmation and literally point to what it was at the table when I paid for it. Obviously, it looks like some sort of mushroom, but if you know, please put it in the comments. Then we went and explored all the gachapons, or gachapon, in Japanese. Do you know why they're called that? Because they got your money. Just kidding. So, gachapon is a Japanese onomatopoeia. The gacha is for the twisting of the gachapon. And the pon part is when the gachapon hits the bottom and comes out. One of these gachapon stole my money. It was the fruit alarm clock one. I put coins in it and it didn't have any in it, and it wouldn't give me my coins back. Then we went to famous Takashita Street. The street is known for the colors. The bubbles on the signing of the street are actually decorated by people. You can clearly see all the colors at Takashita Street. This is another one of my favorite places, especially in the rain, in Tokyo. We went up the escalator of some of the shopping places and malls. And there's this orange person statue. Then I was really wishing we should have gone to this restaurant, but we already ate. But it has some fancy things on the menu and looked extremely fancy. The view up here was also equally beautiful. All of us gathered up to meet to go back on the train. We all gathered under Gabe's singular umbrella. That's a cat cafe. And here are what we thought were Mario Karts. They're allowed to do them on the road like that. And this is a pattern that was in the street that I thought was interesting. The IKEA here has a pride flag, which I thought was interesting, considering it was Japan. So that really surprised me.